Hey everyone! Welcome to another exciting episode of Family Moments, where we use really cool object lessons
that teach the truth about what matters most.
Exactly. And today, we're going to have some fun with this.
Is that duct tape?
It sure is. And what we're going to do...
Oh, are you going to make a duct tape wallet?
Well, no, I'm not going to make a duct tape wallet. What I am going to do...
Or maybe we're going to make a duct tape dress, or a duct tape backpack, or a duct tape grocery bag, or a duct tape...
Whoa. I think I know the best use for this duct tape.
What's that? Oh, brother.
Hey friends, Pastor Robbie here, along with my lovely assistant and wonderful daughter, Sadie.
Hello.
And of course, our new mascot, Mona. And today, we continue our Dog Days of Summer series by announcing our favorite dog of the week. We've received lots of pics of some really beautiful dogs, but this week, our favorite goes to Rosie, the golden retriever from Renton, Washington.
It's hard not to like a dog that reads her Bible.
Good point. And if you haven't sent us a picture of your dog yet, you can email it to us at contact@familymomentsfun.com. We'll post it on our Facebook page, and then stay tuned, because if you're lucky, it may end up on an episode.
Just like Rosie did.
Right. Now, today we're going to have some fun learning about loyalty.
Loyalty?
Yes, loyalty is one of the most common words used to describe a dog.
That's true. Though I have to admit, I'm not 100% sure what loyalty means. Is it like faithfulness?
Yes, it's a lot like being faithful.
Well, then dogs are pretty loyal, because it seems like Mona wants to be with us all the time.
She sure does. A dog is more than a pet. A dog is a faithful friend who's always there, even when no one else seems to be around. A dog knows when you're happy, sad, angry, depressed, tired, and even scared. And he or she always seems to be there for you.
Sounds like loyalty is when you are committed to being faithful.
Exactly. I'm not sure if there are any other creatures that are more loyal than dogs. They just want your love. And in exchange, they will give you their loyalty and much more.
I'm guessing there's a verse about this somewhere.
Of course. Let's look at Proverbs 3 and 4, where it says, "Never let go of loyalty and faithfulness. Tie them around your neck, write them on your heart. If you do this, both God and people will be pleased with you."
Ties loyalty and faithfulness around my neck and write them on my heart? What does that mean?
Finding loyal love and faithfulness around your neck and tying them to your heart means you should hold them close and always carry them with you wherever you go.
In other words, they need to stick close.
Well, that's a good way to look at it. I like to think of loyalty as sticking with something through thick and thin. It reminds me of a little object lesson I like to call the tape test. And all we're going to need is several rolls of different kinds of tape and a dumbbell. Now what we're going to do is test different levels of loyalty with these different kinds of tape and this dumbbell. Let's start by putting this painter's tape on the dumbbell.
It sticks right to it. Pretty loyal.
Yeah, but watch what happens when I try to pick it up.
Not so loyal.
Right. Let's try this Scotch tape instead.
That looks like a stronger case of loyalty. Not very loyal either.
Nope. Real loyalty looks more like this duct tape. Watch.
Oh man, that's what I call loyalty.
Being loyal means being faithful no matter how much you are stretched. Kind of like this Teflon tape.
Teflon tape?
Yeah, watch. I'll write the word loyal on it and then stretch it in all kinds of ways.
I can't even read it anymore.
Maybe not. But when we pull it this way, it still remains loyal.
What in the world? That was cool.
And that's the kind of loyalty we need to have with the Lord. He wants us to keep His commands no matter how heavy life gets or how much we're stretched.
In other words, He wants us to bind our love and faithfulness around our neck and write them on our heart.
Exactly. Being loyal to the Lord is a beautiful thing. So, Sadie, what did you learn today?
I learned that loyalty is a lot like faithfulness, and we should hold it close at all times.
Exactly.
And according to our verse, no matter how heavy life gets or how much we get stretched, if we are loyal to the Lord and His commands, both God and people will be pleased with us.
Very good.
Now, I thought it'd be fun to do a little tape test of my own.
Oh boy, what exactly did you have in mind?
Well, it's pretty easy to pick up a plastic cup with duct tape, like this.
Yeah, no big deal.
But what if you tape it to the top? Like this, and hold it over your head, like this.
Not bad.
And it's even more impressive if it's holding water.
Holding water, hold on now.
Relax, where's your faith? I left just enough room to squeeze a few drops of water in the cup. Now hold this. Above your head.
Above my head, I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
Hold still.
I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
See? It worked.
I can't believe it worked.
Of course it did. It's not like I poured the whole pitcher over your head, like this.
What? Yeah.
Want to do it again?
No. We'll see you around. Today's episode is sponsored by our good friends Randy and Nicole at Oodles of Blessings.
Oodles of Blessings? Hey, that's where we got Mona.
That's right. This Christian-based business breeds beautiful English cream golden retrievers and doodle puppies.
Like Bernedoodles, Sheepadoodles, Labradoodles, and Golden Doodles?
Exactly. Their puppies come from healthy lines of parents with great temperaments. They are the perfect fit for families looking for a healthy, happy, adorable addition to their family.
No wonder they're called Oodles of Blessings.
You can find out more by checking out their website, oodlesofblessings.com, or by calling 260-466-8735, and they'll transport their puppies anywhere in the continental United States.
I love it.
And if you'd like to possibly sponsor an episode or a series of Family Moment episodes, just drop us an email at contact@familymomentsfun.com. We'd love to talk to you about the possibility of partnering with us as we teach the truth about what matters most.